Hi everyone, my name is Grace. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how I DIY this crossbody bag. So let's get started. The first thing you're gonna do is seam rip off 2 pockets. Using the scissors, open it up from the sides and then measure it out the circles. I used what I had at home. Once you cut out the circle, trace it on the other side of the dress and then cut out with the roller cutter. For the inside look, I used another fabric what I had at home. I cut out the circles, 2 circles and the side to sew it inside. Sew down 2 circles right side together and then open it up, then sew it again. Before cutting anything, pin it down the circle and the straps together and then cut it. So I forgot about sewing the zipper to the side before sewing anything. So now I am attaching it to the side and then cut it out 2 loops for the straps. And then seam rip off the circle back the area you want to put it. For making the straps, seam rip off 2 straps and then sew it all together. And then sew it on top of it again. Then I fold it twice and sew it. And then I attach it to the loop and sew it. With leftover pieces, I cut it out for the fringe to sew it down to the side of the zipper. Thank you so much for watching this video. Make sure to check out others DIY videos and subscribe to my channel. Also follow me on Instagram to see more update DIY videos. Thank you.